So, hi guys. So, today I realized that my attention easily gets distracted, especially with social media and overthinking. And I don't know why. Siguro, marami lang distraction ba? Ganyan. Tapos, hindi rin mapakaling isip kasi ang daming, alam mo na, muni-muni, ganyan. So, I didn't notice before how much time I was wasting on things that don't really help me. Siguro late ko na rin siya na-realize na ganun, na waste of time siya. Kumbaga, hindi na dapat iniisip yung ganyan eh. So, when I finally completed the task I was avoiding, which was studying, I felt proud and relieved. Ayun, na-proud ako sa sarili ko kasi, ayun na-avoid ko yung ganun eh. Minsan kasi na-avoid ko yung ganun, pero minsan, hindi. So, it actually felt good to finish something instead of just thinking about it. So, simula bukas, I will try avoid distractions and focus more on what I need to do first before using my phone so I can be more productive. So, yun lang guys. I hope na hindi lahat tayo ganito yung nararamdaman. Siguro may katulad ako. Pero hindi naman habang buhay na ganun eh. Na ganun lang lagi tayo. Na ganun lang. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye.